In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the conversation history data on both Grok.com and Grok AI on X.com or Twitter. So on Grok.com, if you want to delete any historical data about your conversation with this AI tool, then you can click on this icon on the top right corner of the screen. And then here you'll see a list of conversations that you have made with Grok.com. So here I'm going to delete this particular conversation. I'm going to click the trash icon. And then I'm going to click that icon once again to confirm the deletion. And there you go. Now that particular chat has been deleted. Now, what if you want to delete all of the conversations that you have made with Grok AI on Grok.com? Well, you can navigate to your profile picture and then go to settings and then navigate to data controls. Scroll down, and on the delete all conversation section, you want to click the delete button. And then click this button once again to confirm the deletion. So basically, it will delete all the conversations that you have on Grok.com. But if you click on this icon again, there is a good chance that it's still there. So usually it's not going to give you the latest update unless if you refresh the page. And after that, you should see that the conversation history will be empty. There you go. So that's how you can delete the chats on Grok.com. How about on Grok AI on X.com on Twitter? Well, you can click Grok here on the left side menu and then go to history. And then you can manually click this icon and then click delete to delete every single conversation that you have made on Grok on X.com. But if you want to delete all of them, you can navigate to the more icon, the more button right here. Go to settings and privacy. And then navigate to privacy and safety. And then go to, let's say, there is a setting here. Oh, there you go. There is Grok and third-party collaborators. And then click delete conversation history. Click delete once again. And then you can go back to Grok, check history. And if it is still there, you can refresh the page once again. And usually it will remove all the conversations that you have on Grok.com or Grok AI on X.com. So if you click history again, it will be empty. So that's how you can delete all the chat history with Grok AI on both X.com and the official or dedicated Grok.com website. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.